Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialview.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use Instagram for your business during this pandemic, during this lockdown. There's several different ideas I want to share with you so you can continue to grow your business using Instagram. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. And here are specific 5 ideas that I want to share with you today. So the first one is keep posting. So a lot of people right now, their businesses are closed. So for example, local restaurants or furniture stores or electronic stores or dentists, they're not posting on Instagram, but I believe that's a mistake. Do you know why? Because your target audience is still online. Your target audience is on Instagram. They are consuming content. So I would strongly encourage you to continue posting. Obviously, you need to change your strategy. So maybe talk about, what's going on in your business. How are you making sure your business, your employees, your team is safe? So be mindful of the situation, what's going on with people, but do not just disappear from your Instagram. Continue creating content. Number 2 is experiment with live video. So I'm not sure if you saw the news, but now when you go live on Instagram, so people, not only they're able to watch from the Instagram app, they can also watch your live from their desktop, which means you can have potentially more views for your Instagram live video. So think about different live content that you can create. And a couple of examples, let's say if you're a local coffee shop, maybe you can create a live show about make coffee like us and teach people how they can make coffee at home, because obviously people are in lockdown, people are in quarantine, people are staying at home. So engage with them using live video. If you are a furniture store, maybe you can create a DIY show and teach people how they can do the basic cleaning, the basic fixing, and do a lot of stuff in the house, DIY, do it yourself. Number 3 is use DMs to keep and build relationships. So again, the direct messages are very powerful on Instagram, and I'm not sure if you saw the news. Now you're able to, let me show it to you. You are able to look at the direct messages or send direct messages on Instagram desktop. So here I am, let me resize. So this is my account, and look right here. So I have the ability to send direct messages on Instagram from my desktop. So look at this. So I have all of these messages, different inboxes, different requests. I can read, I can reply to these people. So make sure you are paying attention to your DMs, and I would strongly use your DMs to maintain your relationship and also build your relationship with your people, with your target audience. All right, number 4, and this is what I mainly wanted to talk about in today's video. Guess what, people? Instagram and both Facebook and Instagram, they have been releasing a lot of new updates, a lot of new features to help businesses, help people like us during this lockdown, during this quarantine. And one of the things they've done on Instagram is there are a lot of new stickers. So for example, stickers, food order and gift card stickers for challenges, and stickers for like supporting local businesses. You can use those stickers to really engage with your audience. And let's take these examples specifically. So what is a food order sticker? So let me bring my Instagram right here. So here's my Instagram, and basically what the food order sticker is, if I go to Instagram, and here I am at Ali Mirza 2K. Let's just take a random picture. Just imagine this is a food, and I'm gonna go to the sticker icon by clicking right here. And then you'll notice there are a couple of new stickers here. So there's a food order sticker and also gift card sticker. So as a business owner, you can use these. And when you use food order sticker, basically what happens is you can choose one of these partners, but you're making it easy for your audience to work with you or to order food from your business from Instagram stories. That's very powerful because obviously, maybe you're a restaurant, and this is very powerful for restaurants and also food service businesses. So if your restaurant is closed, people cannot go inside because of the lockdown. This can be very powerful because using this sticker, people are able to order food from your business, and you can easily just go through one of these partners and set it up. And by the way, let me go back. A dedicated video. So I'm gonna go back to my computer and right here. So on my YouTube channel, I have a dedicated video. So I created a video a couple of weeks ago, how to use Instagram food delivery sticker. So I will make sure to link that video in the description of this video. So make sure you check that out, because I've created a dedicated video, a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can use that sticker. All right, now let's go back. So that was the food order, and same thing with the gift card. You can get your audience to buy or do different like digital gift cards with your business. The next one is challenges, and again, I have done, if you on my YouTube channel, I have a dedicated video. Look at this. So Instagram challenges, how to use the new challenge sticker to make sure you are engaging with your audience. So I will put the link in the description of this video, so make sure you check that out, because that's another powerful sticker and feature you can use to grow your business, grow the engagement right now with your audience during this lockdown. Let me go back and let's resize this, and also let me show you where to go find that challenge sticker. And basically, challenge stickers are very, very fun. I believe I would say they're my favorite right now. You can create different challenges. For example, let's go back to my stories. So this is my stories camera, and I'll just take a random picture, and let's go back to the sticker icon and look for challenges, which is right here. So you can create different challenges, and look at the bottom here are different challenges that Instagram is recommending. And if you type a letter, so let's say I type letter A, so it's gonna recommend different challenges right here for me. Very powerful. And if I challenge let's say another letter, an example for you is let's say you are a fitness business or a gym business. There's a challenge called plank challenge. So let's see. Look at that. So I can create a plank challenge, and obviously right now it's just a random picture. Maybe you can take a picture of yourself doing a plank or working at home, and then you can challenge other people. And that's very powerful, because you're able to nominate, for example, all these different people. So you can create a challenge. The idea is you create a challenge, and then you nominate your friends or your family or other people. And then if you have a business account, you can nominate your top fans. And that's very powerful, because if they use these challenges, your business, they're able to engage with you, and you can create a lot of like cool engagement with your fan base by creating these challenges. So do think of different ways. And like one example I had was if you're a fitness business or gym, you can create plank challenges and then nominate your top fans, and it's a way to create engagement with your audience. And once you create that challenge, if the people that you nominated, they're able to click on that challenge sticker and also continue with it, because they can create their own content like videos and images and use that challenge sticker and then continue that challenge with that challenge. And again, if you look at make sure you check out the link in the description for that challenge video, because I have a step-by-step tutorial, everything in detail, if you want to use the challenge sticker for your business. And the last one is the support small business sticker, and that's a fairly new one. Look at this. That sticker right now has its own kind of like the story feed right here, and I do have a dedicated video for that as well. How can you use support small business or support business stickers in your Instagram stories? And again, the idea is very simple. You would go as a user, you will create, let's say, your story, and then go to stickers, and here is the support small business sticker right here, and then you can pick your favorite small business. So let's say like that. So, and then you can add this to your stories. So as a user, it's very powerful, because you can show your love and your support for your favorite small businesses, your favorite coffee shop, your favorite other local businesses. And then as a business, that's also very powerful, because you're able to reach new audiences. You're able to get in front of new people with the help of these people who are supporting you on the story. So if I was a business, what I would do is make a list of your top fans. Maybe you already have that list, and ask them to use the sticker, the support small business sticker, in their stories, so they can help you grow your business, grow your reach and engagement on Instagram. It's a very, very powerful feature or sticker that Instagram has. And like like I mentioned, so all of these new stickers and new features, the food order, the challenges, and support business, I do have dedicated videos on these on my channel, so make sure you check those out. Let me go back and show it to you. So here's the recent video I did for how to use the support small business sticker on your Instagram. So I will link that video in the description below. Make sure you check that out after watching this video. And also here's the video about the food delivery sticker, and I have another video about the challenge sticker. So I created separate step-by-step tutorials on how to use those stickers right now during the lockdown, so you can continue to grow your business, build your business during this period of quarantine. Now, that was our number 4. Number 5 is so Facebook, and I believe I mentioned earlier in this video, Facebook and Instagram, they have been launching a lot of different features, resources, and stickers. So make sure you use those. And you know, one thing I've noticed is whenever Facebook or Instagram, whenever they launch a new feature, people who use those features in the early days, they benefit from it because they are, for example, we saw that how the support small business sticker that has its own feed right now. So imagine if you were using it right now, or if you got your fans to use the sticker and mention your business, you can appear in that story right here. Oh, it's gone right now because I consumed it, and then you can you can get in front of a lot of new people. So point being, whenever there are new features, people who use those features in the early days, they get to benefit, right? So going back to, so there are a lot of resources that Facebook and Instagram has launched, so make sure you look at those resources and you consume those resources so you can use those to benefit to get the benefit for your business. And for Instagram, if you go on the top of your Instagram account, here is one right here. So see the business resource. If you click on those, it will open up. So there are different documents that you can read, different tips for updating consumers. So in addition to what we covered in the video today, these 5 different tactics that you can use to grow your Instagram during the lockdown, you can also look at the resources that Instagram and Facebook has, so you can continue, thriving and building your business on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Yes, leave those questions in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.